eyebrows aren't even done. Another video. So I'm gonna attempt to do like a rainbow eye, like this kind of. I've already primed with my Maybelline Master Concealer in the shade Medium. This is the lightest concealer in my collection that I have. I wish I had a white concealer, but I don't. So I use this to prime. This is the lightest concealer I have, because when you're working with like rainbow colors, you want your base to be as bright, as intense, or as light as possible, so the colors show up. And I want it to be as light as possible because, like, for example, yellow doesn't really like to show up on my skin tone. Don't know why. So I put it on a lighter base than normal. So we'll see if it works. I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Trinity in Tokyo palette for this look. And I'm going to start out with this yellow shade down here called Karaoke. That's so weird. It looks green on the brush. Maybe it just looks, it looks yellow on camera. It looks like lime green on my brush. I don't know. That's weird. In the picture, she has yellow in the inner corner, so I figured I'd start there. Not too bad. I'm just gonna stamp it in there. This is showing up, see, on camera it's showing up yellow, but in person it's showing up green. Yeah, it's showing up green in person. On camera it looks yellow. So I'm gonna go into my EYN Bright Matte palette, Hello Sunshine, which is this one right here, and see if that helps. Oh, okay, that helped a lot. I'm gonna blend just a little bit. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna pack it on and blend. Just a little bit, pack and blend. Then the next color is green, and it looks like a lawn grassy green, like a bright grassy green. There really isn't a bright grassy green in here. And Wasabi is more of like a lime green. Granny Smith. And that'll be my grassy green. Ooh, this looks seamless. And we're gonna take Fortune from the Trinity in Tokyo palette. And then what it looks like she does is, it looks like she hugs the blue with the purple, and then hugs the purple with the red, like on my outer corner. I'm gonna take this purple shade called Kyoto, and I'm gonna go into Kyoto, and I'm gonna kind of hug it on the outer corner right here. Oh my gosh, look how pigmented that is. Wow, that it's not awful, even though it kind of looks like shit. Oh my god, it kind of looks like shit a little bit. Maybe I should take a fluffy brush like this. Maybe something fluffy. I don't know, I'm gonna wash it off a little bit. And then, see, this look was pretty till out of the purple. That's where I fucked up at. I'm gonna go into the shade Fashion up in here. This red shade, it looks kind of orange, but I promise it's red. My camera does this thing where it automatically stops recording. It's so annoying. So I'm gonna put that above, put the red above the purple. And then I'm gonna go back into Kyoto. I should probably mix something else with it. I'm gonna mix something with it. Yeah, purple flower actually. I'm gonna mix purple flower and Kyoto together. Maybe it's too dark, so purple flower and Kyoto. I'm gonna mix them together. And then go back into the red and kind of blend the purple out. And I'm gonna go back into Fortune, the blue color. And then I'm going back into this green, and I used Granny Smith from the other palette. And then the yellow. I went into the shade Hot Stuff from the EYN palette. It's just a very intense red, and seeing if I can like blend it out. So I just wanted to show you the blend, honestly, because as you can see, I put the lashes and eyeliner on this eye, as you can see. But I wanted to show you just the blend. Really. This blend is everything. Also, I found an easier way to put on lashes. I don't know if people have been doing this, but I just found out about it. So you take your lash glue. I used the Duo in the dark one. And instead of applying it to the lash, you put it on your eyeline. So you apply it. To your lash line as possible, and then I usually count 20 seconds. Like I count 20 seconds in my head. I'm counting it right now. Then you take your lash, and I use tweezers. Some people put it on with their hands, which I don't understand how, and then some people are like, I don't understand how you use tweezers. So here you go. So I'm counting 18, 19, 20. And then I'm just going to apply it. And boom. I always have such a hard time applying lashes, and that just makes it easier. The only problem with doing this method is that I usually get some of the eyelash glue on my actual eyelash. But this was so much easier and faster. I've never applied lashes that fast. I'm gonna just slap on some blush and some highlight just to make the look put together. I'm not gonna put on any other face makeup. So I have this Kylie blush in the shade Rosy. I'm just gonna slap on some. And then I just recently got this new highlighter palette from BH Cosmetics, Illuminating in Ireland. And it's really pretty. It's very pretty. I'm gonna take the shade Shamrock. Here, I'm gonna turn down the light so you can really see this. There you go. Now it's more true to color. Ah, I just almost hit my camera. But now I'm gonna take Shamrock and I'm gonna put that on my cheeks. And it's like this yellow gold. Oh my goodness, that looks so pretty. It's like this yellow gold. Oh, it reminds me of like Trophy Wife from Fenty. Jeez, I can't get it out. And this is the completed look. My eyebrows aren't even done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do you guys think I should do more like colorful looks like this? Because this looks real good. Oh, this looks so good. I can't stop looking in the mirror. But thank you for watching. Let me know if you want me to do more looks like this, and catch you in the next video.